Hey PT, this week we're going to be utilizing some common household items to make 3D sculptures. This video is going to focus on making our sculptures with salt dough specifically, but you can really utilize any material available from cardboard to paper as long as you can make it 3D. However, use salt dough if you can, as it's not only incredibly similar to clay, it's easy to make and a lot of fun. Step 1. Follow the salt clay activity instructions that instruct you to do as follows. Mix 2 cups of flour and 1 cup of salt into a large bowl. After that, you add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then slowly mix in 3/4 to 1 cup of water and do this until it forms a dough. Once we found our dough, we decided to find the dog. This is Sophie. She has very impressive paws, but they look really weird imprinted.
That's how dog paws work, I guess.
After that, we still had a ton of dough left, so we started making small ornaments and crafting objects using our imaginations. We did this directly on the pan that we were going to use in the oven, and it saved a lot of struggle with transporting the items, as salt dough is very soft and easily malleable. That means it can get messed up super easy as well. Once we made our ornaments, we found that we still had a ton of dough left, so we tried to make a larger sculpture this time with food coloring.
This took 6 drops.
Put it into the oven for 1 hour at 250. The items came out very durable, and even the thin pieces that we were worried about breaking came out nicely. After taking them out of the oven, we decided that we really needed to exercise. So we went to the park with our masks and our new sculpture to take some pictures of.
His home.
Yeah.
Later, I decided to use another one of my sculpture pieces to create a 3D low relief using an old record that I painted white with acrylic paints, and I designed over it with Sharpies. I painted acrylic on the back and then pasted it onto the project, and it worked as adhesive. It was a gift for a friend, so I wanted to use neon colors that would work fancy with LED lights. Your assignment is to utilize salt dough, if possible, to create at least one 3D designed ornament. If you don't have enough of the materials needed to make this, use even a fraction of what's required in this recipe. Trust me, it makes a lot of dough. You can choose to incorporate other items, such as an old record like I used, if you desire. If you do not have any of these household items, that's totally okay. You can make a sculpture using anything in the house, from cardboard to paper. If you Google low relief cardboard sculptures or low relief paper sculptures, you'll be able to see tons of examples and references of what people have made using only paper, glue, and cardboard. Lastly, remember that these are only intended to be ornaments, so they don't have to be super huge. If you want to make big ones, you're welcome to. Make sure you're not overwhelming yourself. And of course, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching!